Hey fantastic you, welcome back. If you're new to the channel, welcome, glad to have you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so we can be friends. We are gonna do some flip cups today on this 12 by 16 inch canvas. Our colors are Liquitex and our white is Artists Loft. So starting with this orange, this is a mixture of cadmium orange hue and cadmium yellow dark hue. And I've added some white to lighten it. So I was going for like a creamsicle orange look, but just a little softer. And we've got quinacridone magenta, cadmium yellow light hue, and I added a little bit of white to lighten this one. Turquoise blue and Artist Loft titanium white. So I'm gonna layer these into the cups, 2 layers, starting with orange, ending with white. So I'll do that off camera and then I'll bring you back. There are the cups all filled up, so let's get these flipped over. Now I know I'm gonna get a little bit of green with the yellow and the turquoise next to each other. I just didn't want the turquoise next to the orange because that's gonna give you brown. Hopefully the yellow next to the magenta will give me an orangey color as well. So the theme on this one is more of an orange color. But while we're waiting for these to release, I've made up about 115 grams of mixed paint in each color. It is 1 part color to 1.5 parts pouring medium. The pouring medium is 60% Elmer's glue all, 40% water, and I have added 3 drops of silicone to all of the colors except for white. So I will bring you back when these have released. Okay, it's been a couple minutes, so we will get started. Oh, nice pink colors in there. My corners and my edge. Just moving the paint over a bit. Okay, let's do the middle one. And again, I just put the little bit of extra on there to get some paint on there to wet the surface. I know some artists don't like doing that, but I'm going to tilt that all off. Okay. Spin this around. So far it looks pretty good. Okay, we're going to tilt off this side. That corner, come back. I'm going to go off that edge and come back. Lots of nice pretty shades in there. So far, I'm liking this one. Let's torch, see what we can get up for cells. Just gotta wipe my hands. Really liking the colors right in there. Very nice. Okay, let's give that a second. Lots of bubbles popped there. And I got a couple big bubbles here that I need to pop. There's one. There's two. Seeing if I see any more. Ooh, some cute little orange cells popping up there. So not a whole whack of cells. I'm trying not to over torch because I think we're gonna get some really pretty cells and I want them to be on their own. So let's go again. Okay, got a couple more popping up there. Not enough, so we'll go again. Okay, hopefully that one will do the charm. Yeah, we got some more popping up there, some more popping up there. We need a couple more there. There we go. Yeah. Really liking the colors on this one. Like the white and the orange mixing together is almost giving like a nice cream color, which is very pretty. We got like a lime green going on. That's the yellow and the turquoise mixing. No, super happy right now with this one. Okay, let's finish growing our cells. I'm gonna do one more torch right there because that's really bare. There we go. Got a couple to pop up in there. Well, more than a couple. Oh well. Just walking the paint down. Over that edge. Come back. Over this edge. Come back. Recenter everything. There. Now we've opened up the cells. I'm loving that orange. I think it looks so... Oh, I don't know what word to use. Yummy like a creamsicle. There, that's the word we're gonna use. So wait, give me 1 second and I'm gonna get you zoomed in. So there, all zoomed in. What do you think? As I said, I'm loving the orange in there. That magenta next to the orange, I think is actually working really, really well. And that turquoise just popping up here and there. It's surprising how dark this looks considering I had 3 very light colors, white and the orange and the yellow, and then 2 darker colors. So I wonder if I did this again, if I took out or lightened either the turquoise or the magenta. So I might do that. But thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch. I really appreciate it. And I appreciate you. Until next time.